Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your HP Smart Tank Plus 651 wireless all-in-one printer step by step. From unboxing to printing your first page, everything will be covered in a simple and easy way. So let's get started. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now, place the printer on a flat and stable surface. Remove all packing materials, tapes, and stickers from the outside of the printer. Open the scanner lid and remove the protective tape inside. Next, open the front door and remove any packing material from the ink access area. Also, open the printhead access door and remove any materials inside the printer. Step 2. Now, connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a power outlet. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. Wait until the printer becomes idle and silent. If your printer has a display, select your preferred language. Do not connect the USB cable at this stage. Step 3. Open the front door of the printer. Open the cap of the ink tank you want to fill. Now, open the ink bottle carefully. Turn the bottle upside down and place it on the tank nozzle. Let the ink flow automatically. Do not squeeze the bottle. Once the tank is full, remove the bottle and close the cap. Repeat the same process for all color tanks. Close the front door after filling all tanks. Step 4. Open the front door again and then open the printhead access door. Wait for the carriage to stop moving. Remove the printheads from their packaging. Remove the orange caps and protective tape. Do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Insert the printheads into their correct slots, black on the right, color on the left. Push them firmly until they click into place. Close the latch, then close all doors. Step 5. Open the input tray. Slide the paper guides outward. Insert plain white paper into the tray. Adjust the paper guides so they fit properly. Step 6. The printer will automatically print an alignment page. Place the alignment page on the scanner glass. Close the lid and follow the instructions to scan it. This step ensures the best print quality. Step 7. Now go to 123.hp.com on your phone or computer. Download and install the HP Smart app. Open the app and add your printer. Follow on-screen instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Step 8. To confirm everything is working, open the HP Smart app, select your printer, tap Print Documents or Photos, print a test page. If it prints successfully, your setup is complete. And next, troubleshooting. If your printer is not detected, restart your printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, make sure your device is connected to the same network. Then, reopen the HP Smart app and try again. And that's it. Your HP Smart Tank Plus 651 printer is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you need any help or support, to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.